Okay, let's try some Leetcode question. First of all, kind of want to see like how loud this thing is. How's now? What about now? How's now? What about now? How's now? This sounds pretty good actually right now, right? How's now? Right. This sounds pretty good actually right now, right? How's now? Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's enough. So a couple of hours actually if you want to. Let's get deeper in. So we were practicing sliding window. So all 4 of them, right? All of them. Do I remember the concept or not? So we'll see. Let's see, it should be an easy one right here. Reset. Maximum average, subarray 1. You're given an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k. So we got array of nums with n elements and integer k. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equals to k that has the maximum average value and return this value. Any answer with the calculation error less than, okay, blah, blah. So we got this, and with k, I want to find maximum average of subarray k. So for example, it's 0 to 4, right? 1 plus 12 minus 5 minus 6, that's 11. So we got 2 divided by 2, that's 1. That's the average. And then we got another one. 12, this is 11, so 51 divided by that. I don't know how much that is. So this should be right. Okay. Let's see if that's right. 1. Oh no. 12 minus 11 is 1 plus 51 divided by 2 is 26. What? Oh, the fuck, divided by 4. So 51 divided by 4. 1275. And that's the case. So my brute force approach is going to be looping it from the very first one and then taking 4, find the average, see if it's the max. If it is, and update that, return that at the end. It's heavy because every single loop it will take a slice of the array and finding all that calculation. So the quickest way is to have it with sliding window, which is from the beginning we have start pointer and we have an end pointer, and then with that the end pointer will keep going, and then when we reach k, it's 4 minus 1. So when we reach k minus 1, we need to check for the sum and then find the average and then update the max. And every step after that, we'll need to do that. But first, I will take out the last number, which is k4 minus 1, 2, 3. Is that 0, right? So I or the n minus k. If I is at, yeah, and then we'll do that. And when the n is at 3, that's where we stop and find the result. Should be pretty straightforward, right? So let's see if we get it right. A couple of things that we need. Do we need this? Maybe to make it interesting. It's not like dead silent, right? We need to find first. We need the pointers for start. You could just use that. I is gonna be the n. I'm gonna find the max. Start with. I've done this before, so I know that I need to think about negative numbers because the average could be negative. All right. So and then I think we have current. We keep track of the current one. Keep adding, and then I would think that's it. So now let's just call this n. For let n equals 0 and less than equals to nums.length, and then n plus plus. So nums.length is what? 2, 4, 6. This is nums.length. We're gonna end at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely not equals to. And then what do we do? Once we hit this, we're just going to be saying, hey, I want to add the current to whatever number it is, right? And then once I do that, I'm gonna find out if currently n is greater or equals to k. If I'm at 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, actually I need it at 3, right? So if it's 4, it's gonna be bypassing it. So either k minus 1, we can do that, right? And then if the n is greater than equals to k minus 1, I think this is too big, so let's make it smaller right here. Okay. So if that's over this number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the max, right? So max equals to max, either current max or the average current divided by 4. Set the max first, right? After we set the max, we can take out the beginning. I will say current minus equals nums of the start number, which is 0 right now. After we take it out, we can just say start plus plus, and then after we minus that start plus plus, I need to add the next one. No, or the next one is going to be added here. Okay, so that's done. Oh, this is not minus 4 divided by 4, but this is going to be average, so divided by k. And that being said, what else is here? When n, after this, n is going to keep going, and then until n is the n, we will have max anyway ready to go. So this is going to be return max. Well, I know if the nums.length if it's only 1, less than equals to 1, return nums 0. All right, I'm gonna test this. Let's see. Okay, was that really good all the way? That is. So this comes because I did this before, and then kind of like anticipated this part, which is if the length of the nums is less than 1. But without that previous attempt, I wouldn't be able to think about this. But yeah, pretty simple with sliding window. I think like I get the essence. So let's keep going to the second one. Now we will hit medium sliding window. Oops. Medium sliding window. First I need to reset. I don't want to take a look at this. Boom. So second question, medium Leetcode. Kind of want to have a timer. No. Okay. No stopwatch. So ugly. You could have done better with this. Come on, Google. We could just have it like on the side right here and small and not responsive. Are you kidding me? What are you doing, Google? How is this not responsive? Anyway, so let's start. I'm gonna take a look at that. That is too depressing. Maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. Given a string S and an integer K, return the maximum number of vowels letters in any substring of S with length K. Vowel letters in English are A, E, I, O, U. So we need to check if it's given given letters and a limit of K. Find how many vowels in D substring. So ABC, you can see that it's 1. BCI, we have 1. CII, we have 2, and then III, we have 3, and then this is going to be the max. So we can see the pattern right away. It's actually anything with the substring. I feel like it's going to be sliding window. I feel like could be wrong, but I feel that's the way to go. Should be pretty standard, no? Okay. So let's get used to just pseudocoding it. First, we will take a look at create a function that takes check vowel, and then so we will have sliding window, start and end, and then check it, and then return max. That's pretty easy, I feel, isn't it? So let's see. Launch is bow equals to, so is val will take string, right, as the input, and then we will check if return if A E I O U that includes, this is JavaScript built-in function, anything from the string. So now we can loop this. No, before that we will create some variables here. So that max, we use let because we will change this, update this. Of course, Uncle P. Of course. So is vow and then, oh wait, max is starting this couldn't be more than like negative numbers, so this gonna be 0. We have starting pointers, which is 0. And we will do it later. And do we need current? I think so. So now for let n equals to 0 and less than s.length and plus plus. So with this, we will add, yeah, same thing. First is, oh wait, n starts with 3, no, with k, like that, because now, do we need to splice it also as well? No, we could just use let current string, for example, like that. Maybe. And then having like current string plus equals to s of n first. And then how do we take out first letter outside of a string? I feel like we didn't have to do this. How am I capturing the letters? Okay, am I like adding the letters one by one? Or because I know the n? Okay, I feel like we have to add the letters one by one to maximize distracted. Okay, come back. So first current string is adding the first one, right? And then we check if vowels, if no, we don't have to do that. We just say current plus equals to is vowel of, so this is actually not string, this is a letter, like E, for example, because we're just checking letter per letter. Oh, if this includes E, I want to return 1, otherwise it's going to be 0. So is vowel of the S of n, add it, right? And then if n is greater than k minus 1, it's the same thing, right? For example, k is 3, so I need to check it at 0, 1, 2, so k minus 1. And this is going to be the same thing that I did. First, I need to check the max. Max equals to math out max, see which is the current or the max currently higher. After we check the max, I'm going to remove. So current minus equals is vowel of the start. Check this A1. If it's a vowel, minus that out from the current, and then next one it's going to say, next one is going to check this. Yeah, I think that's it. Actually, I think that's it. So if we return max, let's see if I'm a genius here. Am I a genius? I'm not. God damn it. What's wrong? We have output of 2 but not 3. So let's close. Where is the mistake? If n is greater than k minus 1, k is 3, minus 1 is 2, 0, 1, 2. I feel like this has to be equal. K minus 1, 3, minus 1 is 2, 0, 1, 2. This is not greater than 2, so it's checking over here. I just wrong. It has to be. Oh, I didn't even do start plus plus, and then I need to equals 2. There you go. Wow, look at that. What would you say the big O of this? Big O of this should be, it's going through every single one of the string, so big O of S. Space is constant, so that's why it's pretty performant. Let's see timer. Took me 11 minutes, but because I practiced this, right? So if this comes up in an interview, I could do this. Okay. So sliding window. Do we want to continue on sliding window or do we want to move on? I gotta say, after practicing the sliding window section, it helped me gain the confidence though, actually. We're like 39 out of 75. It could go. You should do one that's not like that I haven't done yet. So hash map or set. Let's just see what it is. Tired? How do I feel right now? Feel okay. Because I haven't really like used my brain to solve like an actual question. So let's see. Unique numbers of occurrence. Given array of integers or array, return true if the number of occurrence of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. Unique number. What do you mean? The value has 3, there's 2, there's 1, no two values the same. Given an array of integers, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique. So it has 1, 2, and 3. So how would you solve this question? Let's think about it. We want to find the value, actually, the one that's not the same. If there are duplicates, how do we know if there were duplicates? For example, like 2 and 2, 2 got 2 and 1 got 2. So it's not unique. This one and one. I can't even imagine right now, like, what should I do? Because, okay, let's just say if I'm keeping all the data in an object right here, which is like 1, we got 1, and then 2, we got 2, and 3, we got 3, right? I know this dictionary. My first question, is there a way to set value of dict into set, or check if they're a set? That's my question. Can we find out the value of dictionary is a set? If that's the case, I feel like we can do it. If not, what's gonna happen? One, two, three. Okay, let's find out, right? Because I actually have no idea. Well, let's just figure it out. That I equals 0, I less than array.length, and r plus plus. I equals 0, and what I want. So like dictionary equals to this, and then I'm going to say if array I in dictionary, right, Then I'm going to say dictionary of array I plus equals 1. Else, if it's not in the dictionary, I'm going to set dictionary array I equals to 0 if that's the first time we're seeing it. If the first time we're seeing it, so it's gonna become 1. If we've seen it before, it's going to do that. Then we just console log dictionary and see what it is. So yeah, we got it, right? And then can we do object.keys or object.value that pass equals to object.values of dict. What is this? I need to console.log test. If we have 3 to 1, okay. So with that, hash map or set question. That was the hint, right? We're using hash map or set. Okay, from here I could check if this includes in anywhere else in the array. That could be a check. If we're making it into a set, okay, I can do this. So for example, I let that equals to new set, and we put in test right here, right? And then return if set that size equals to test that length. Set that size is not a function. So how do we know the size of a set? I thought it was size. No way it's like set that size like this. Oh, it is. Okay, yay. Actually pretty good. First try. Let's see the timer. 7 minutes. Damn. Okay, we're getting better. Let's see if we resubmit this, if this is better than 5.2 at 23%. What? How is it like only 71? Okay, it's gotta be quicker. How can we do this quicker? I mean, it solves it, right? But is there a better way of doing it? What can we improve here? So we're getting the array from here. I don't know actually. Let's see the solution. 3 lines of code. So we're using map count map dot set array that from count map. That's right. You go. This is some bullshit, bro. I hate that. That's like very hacky, or like it's approach. We can use map to sort of count of occurrences for each element in the array. Additionally, we use a set. So we have map and set. You're looping twice. I see. Because you could stop quicker, for example, if you got it to where you need before you go through the entire array, you're faster. I get that. I want to see. It's like, really though, like just trying to hop on, like, do what you know, but of course, like, let's try to understand this as well. So we're creating a new map and we're creating a new set for element of array. Okay, this is looping through everything. I gotta start using this. Count map.set. You're setting element, and what is its value? Count map.get element or 0. If we already have that in count, I see. And then let count map.values. Yeah. If occurrences has this, true false. Yeah, you're looping through the count map. I don't think this is better. But anyway, okay. 9:30. So I feel like I can take one more medium question because I feel like today has been pretty good. Let's do one more here. Okay, I think like the one that I'm very wary of is right here. DFS, BFS. Not really sure of heaps. I can do probably like binary tree or something. All right, let's do this. Oh, goddamn. Oof. Need a little break. That was an easy question though. Should we look for shoes? Why is it not loading? Why is it not loading, bro? Okay, maybe I'm not supposed to do that. Alright, last one. And then call it a night. Successful pair of spells and potions. You're given two positive integer array spells and potions of length n and m respectively, where spells I represents the strength of ith spell and potions I represents the strength of jth potion. Potions j. You're also given an integer success. Spell potion pairs can successfully the product in their strength at least success. Wow, what the fuck is this? Return an integer array pairs of length n, where pairs I is the number of potions that will form a successful pair with the ith spell. What does that even mean? So question 1, we have spells 513, potions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Success is 7. What is success? Is considered successfully the product of their strength is the product if the product of their strength. What is their strength? Spells I strength, right? Is at least. And then output is 403. What does that mean? So 0 spell 5. Oh, wow. What? So from 5, multiply by each one of them, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And 4 pairs are successful where 403. This question was in binary search. What does that mean, binary search, bro? I don't think this is a binary search question, right? What do we do here? So we have to go through like spell. Okay, seems like it. So I'm gonna do 5 on this one, 3 and 8 and 5 and 8. Right, so 2 pairs. Okay. If I really want to just brute force what I see right now, I'm going to have a variables called result array. And then I'm going to loop through, let I equals 0, I less than start length, or let I of spells. This is the new way of looping through everything, comma, get on the program, or let I of spells. So I'm now at 1. I wonder if I do this, is this an index or is this the element? Do I do spells? I know, right? That's actually my question, but let's just do it. Where's this I? I is going to be 513, actually the element, right? So now I need to go through look through the second one, or let j equals 0, j less than potions dot length j plus plus, or we say j of potions. I'm going to gonna have like a temp array right here. I don't need a temp array. I could just check I times j, right? If it's like current equals to sum j, if current is greater than equals to, right? Equals to success, then I need to do what? Temp is start from 0. Okay, I'm going to say temp plus plus. After temp is added to 1, I'm going to repeat that for every single potions. Once I'm done, I'm going to say rest.push temp, and I should get the question accurate. That's it, actually. No? I feel like this is it. Let me submit. It's not gonna be that easy, isn't it? Yeah, I knew it. So actually we're close. This is just Leetcode being Leetcode. If I were at the interview, I should probably already pass. But because this is Leetcode, we need to think about when we have like thousands of numbers like this. Okay. What do we know? We know that I see. No, it's not. Number will not be sorted unless we want to sort it first. There's no point if we're not sorting it first. We can't do binary search if it's not sorted, right? So what do we do? We're at 5. Now, I just want to know if we sort this and then you can see that. How do we find that binary search? First, get the middle part, 15. 15 divided by what? How do we get 15? No, we just pick the middle part, which is 3. Is 3 greater than 7? Yes, it is. So I need to go through the second one. To the left, pick a middle number. Is 2 greater than? Yes. So check 1. This is not. So that's the answer from index 1. We could use the index and index length minus index. Because we eventually will be, it's sorted, right? Okay, we can do that first to try. So now if I wanna do potions dot sorted, and b a minus b, like that. So if we already sorted that mid equals sorted dot length divided by 2. So mid is sorted dot length divided by 2. So we started from there, and then we have a while loop. What is the while loop? What is the while loop? While how do we start a binary search? Binary search is that we start in the middle. So I think we need like a start here, goes to 0, goes to yeah. So start less than n, thing, right? I don't remember. Oh my god, battery search on this. Okay, so we have mid sort that length divided by 2, while start is less than n. We want to see this is what 0 1 2 3 4 minus 1. No, actually it's gonna be plus 1 after that. Anyway, we'll start with an n If sorted mid if sorted mid this number times I is greater than equals to success, temp plus plus, no. This is equals to success, right? Mid no. Okay, if it's greater than equals to, I need to go to the left. So I'm going to set 10 plus plus and then n equals to mid. So this will move n from 4 to 2. No. From 4 to 1. Wait, mid is still right here. So n is going to be this and this, and then take this mid. And else, if it's this is not a success, then start equals to mid. Just taking start over here. No, I feel this is it. I feel like this is it. Yeah, let's see. Oh no. So if you do that, do you actually want to? I don't need to use the 10 plus plus now. What? And it's not coming out. Oh, because the mid. So this is mid. This mid actually has to be. And start divided by 2. N is what? So the dot length is 5 minus 1 is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then start is 0. 4 minus 0, 0, 1, 2. So right here in the middle. So first things first, mid is right here now. And then if sorted mid greater than that, then n goes to mid. I feel like this gotta be over here, because every time we're going to reset the mid. Okay. Wow, it's taking forever. I feel like maybe less than equals to n. Because sometimes they don't see, right? Where this is n? Because that's the thing. I think this is just not going anywhere. With start is less than equals to n. If sorted mid I right here success, I don't need temp, so I'm not gonna even add the temp. So I'm just gonna say n equals to mid, because mid right now is 2. And then the new one is going to be 2 minus 0 divided by 2 is 1. It's going to be 1. And then the mid, what is mid? 2 minus 1, 1. 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is half. Sorted mid. This is like half. I don't know how to end this binary search. How do I end this binary search? Well, start is less than or equals to n. This is like n minus start plus 1. I don't know how to end this. Can I cheat? I'll cheat. Minus 1 start, mid minus 1, and then this plus 1. And mid minus 1 and mid minus 1 start mid plus 1. Wrong answer. Wait, because we already changed this, no? That's why. That's why it's always gonna be. So we're. I wanna see portions of mid. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zero, 4, and 4. Why is it 4? Mid is n. Start. Really? Gotta do that. So gotta be like math.floor. Maybe. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So start is 0, mid is 2, end is 4. 0, 2, 4. Positions mid is 3, that's right. But then when we're at start is 1, mid is 0. And the failure was after 0, 2, 4, it becomes 0, 0, 0, 1. So here we're saying if sorted mid and mid minus 1, mid is 2 minus 1, so switching that is actually wrong in my opinion, no? Because we want to make this, I feel like this is the right way. It will never end because start will be at 0. When we're at here, 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 2 is 0. I don't know. Yeah. If all right, that's enough time. We were able to solve some of them, right? What is wrong here? Like, why am I not able to finish it? So when we're at 0 and 1, like this, okay, maybe I need to do that. Sorted mid times I greater than success. Right here, still do it. So n equals mid minus 1. And then start is mid plus 1. Let's see, let's just say if we do that. Is it sorted anyway? It's already sorted, this one. So why is it not? No. I don't get it. Keeps going at 1. Why? Because we say like n equals mid. I see. I think because of this. Mid keeps recounting. I don't know, bro. So just say mid. It's weird that I have to do it twice. But it's not coming out. Oh my god, it's frustrating me, bro. Okay. Sometimes you just don't have it. I wanna see using binary search. What the fuck? If I am spell, what is spell? Spell of spells. Spells, where is spells? Spells is that. Okay. Array M. What is M? What is array potion? Excess divided by potion. I see. Now I feel like this is very similar. So that mid. So mid is N plus start 0 plus divided by 2. Get the mid. Five times 3, 15. Greater than equals to success, 7. Yes. If it is, then N equals mid minus 1. Else start minus 1. And then mid equals to start. And then 1, 5, 2. So what is different than what I did? Spell of spells. Life equals to 0. Minus 1. We don't specify mid right here. We specify mid This is equals to 0. And then mid equals to method floor left plus right divided by 2. If array less than equals to, it's the same thing. After a while loop, so why is it different? What do I want to see now here? I want to see console.log sorted mid. Times I. Let's just see it. 15, yes. And then 10, yes. Oh my god, what is wrong, bro? What is wrong? What is wrong? If there am less than equals to spell, this is like, this is this. What is this M? M is different than small m. What is a big M? M is the middle, M is 0. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. You're a little bit delulu, bro. Use something else, man. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, bro? So this is not mid, this is max equals to start, and then what are you doing? Still haven't gotten the answer, but like, what the fuck you doing, bro? Max equals to start. It's too confusing now. Oh my god. My god. My goodness. 152. Start, mid, and end. So 15. Career and success, yes. And then 0 and 1 and 5. It's not. If it's not greater than success, I'm bamboozled, bro. What the fuck? we're right here. Right equals to mid minus 1, left equals mid plus 1. By that n, we do quotients dot length minus the start, and then that's it. Yeah, that was it, bro. Oh my god, that was confusing as heck. This. Okay, let's see if we don't have the console.log, see if that's better. I feel like that should be it. The book. Let's see, did they sorted this? Yes, potions that sort. It's the same. Maybe I don't need this. I'll just say potions at length and potions mid, and then this is exactly the same one, so I don't know if it's not going past. It should pass. Why, bro? I don't need max while start is less than equals to. We literally have the same. We don't need the temp. So why is it not? Really? You're telling me mid left? Like that? It's the same thing as meta floor. Yeah. So maybe they're not liking it that you do the calculation here in the push. I don't know. Could be. You gotta be shitting me, right? We're using binary search here. And this is exactly the same thing, bro. No fucking way. And log m. Bruh. This is exactly the same. This is exactly what I did. Potions mid times spells I times I. No way. Bro, it's exactly the same shit, bro. Like exactly the same shit. Let me try to submit this. If you go through What the fuck? What is different from here? While left is less than equals. So let right equals to portions at length minus 1. Am I because I'm using portions at length? No way. Don't play with me like that, bro. Like for real. Oh, okay. Oh, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Yeah. Sorry. That was my fault, yeah. That was my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. Right here. I can't keep looping and sorting it through. Sorry. That's right. Oh my god, that was such. Oh, wait. Well, almost got it though. Got the idea. Okay, we can try again tomorrow. But that's it for today. Okay, bye.